Push-ups is a great exercise when it comes to hit your chest muscles or your triceps. But the real concern is most people don't perform it in a correct way or do not have enough strength to perform it. So we will be discussing some prerequisites that you can perform before performing a push-up. Let's begin with it. So the first one is the knee push-ups. It's just push-ups, but instead of going on your toes, we are performing them on your knees, and that's a really easy variation in order to begin with. If you are unable to perform a knee push-up, then this exercise is right here for you. Get into knee position, go down, lay on the floor, and rise up. The second one is the half push-ups. Get into a push-up position, go down, lay down your knees on the floor and rise up and perform it again. It almost gives you a feeling of a push-up. Hence, you are going into a push-up position and going down. Ten to 15 reps of this exercise is enough before moving on to the last one. The last variation is what I call the negatives. Get into knee position, go down, bring out your toes and rise up. It's just the opposite of what you just saw in the half push-ups. If you are able to perform 10 to 15 reps of this variation, then you are good to try out a whole push-up. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you found it helpful, then do like the video, share it and subscribe to the channel for more future updates.